Mamkhumalo needs to stop provoking Mayeni. It might look like she's trying to embarrass Mayeni in this situation. And she's embarrassing herself and Musamsaleko. Whatever she wants, she might not get it. Anyway, guys, let's get to start today. The rest of the hearts and some other peace and wassalam. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. For those who don't know what is going on, it's on this Temple Season 8. It is coming back tomorrow on your screen. 8 o'clock on Sunday Magic. So tomorrow, guys, you're gonna have two episodes, 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock. On Thursday, you're gonna have another episode at 8 o'clock. I mean, this is good. This is bonus. Thanks to Turn on His Temple, guys. So what is happening? Yesterday, they did post the trailer. You Turn on His Temple Season 8, episode 1. So Mamkhumalo, guys, now we're on season 8. She's trying so hard to tell us that she was supposed to be a wife and number 2. Mamkhumalo actually exposing Musamsaleko this time. She went on to say that when Mayeni came back to be a picture, she was already in the picture staying with Musamsalek. So when you go back, guys, Mayeni got married in 2007. Musamsalek was 32 years. Mamkhumalo, she was 18 years old. She was already staying with Musamsalek. Obviously, did not date in 2007. Probably they dated in 2005, 2006. At that time, Mamkhumalo, maybe she was 16 years or 17 years old, guys, because Mamkhumalo got married in 2009 when she was 20 years old. So, guys, what Mamkhumalo is trying to do right now is to expose Musamsaleko and herself. She might think that she's trying so hard to prove a point to Mayeni, guys. So some people are saying that this season 8, Mamkhumalo, we might not get the Mamkhumalo we used to get, the bubbly one, the fashion one, the Kim Kardashian one. This time we might get Mamkhumalo that have half Mayeni and half Magdalene, because it seems like if you're watching all the trailer, Mamkhumalo, she's complaining. This season, Mamkhumalo, she will be complaining, because Mamkhumalo, guys, she's always the Yebo Baba wife. She agree with Musam Saraka. Maybe it's because of wife number 5. So no wonder people right now, they do want to find out how old is the wife number 5, because now the way Mamkhumalo explained his situation, that's the reason why they want to go back to wife number 5 and say, how old were you when you meet Musam Salako? Guys, their colors, their poroma, so we cannot wait to see them. As for Mayeni this time, one thing about Mayeni, guys, they don't play with Mayeni. She doesn't play with anyone else, guys. She will tell you like this, she doesn't like people coming to her life and explaining a situation that has nothing to do. It's not necessary, guys. She even told of your cousin about to say that it is your own business. If you choose to stay with him, that is up to you. Also, if he decide to stay with you, that's the part of mother-in-law, guys. Now it makes sense why Musamsaleko does not have a problem with Terelo staying in Mzumbe. Like when you look at Musamsaleko, you would think at those street Zulu father, for dads, normally, guys, when you have a child with someone, other cultures, even if you go and visit, sometimes you're not sleeping in the same room with your baby daddy. They will make sure that you guys are not sleeping in the same room. Guys, I don't know what it is there, but this time I feel like Mamkhumalo, she's giving the other side we didn't know about her, and this side is actually exposing her, guys. It is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself.